Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Remember that we are still learning how to count numbers in Lingala. So in our last lesson, we learned how to count numbers from 21 to 30. Now in today's lesson, I want us to see how to count from number 31 to 40. So remember that we stopped at number 30, which we said is Ntuku misato. So 30 is Ntuku misato. So therefore, just like we said for numbers between 21 and 30, is that we just need to add a number to 30. So Ntuku misato is number 30. So number 31 will be Ntuku misato na moko. Number 32 is Ntuku misato na mibale. Number 33 is Ntuku misato na misato. Number 34 is Ntuku misato na minei. Number 35 is Ntuku misato na mitano. Number 36 is Ntuku misato na motoba. 37 is Ntuku misato na sambo. 38 is Ntuku misato na mwambe. 39 is Ntuku misato na libwa. Then for number 40, we now just say that we have 4 tens. So it will be Ntuku minei. So Ntuku minei is 40, that we have 4 tens. So just let's again go through it quickly. Ntuku misato na moko, Ntuku misato na mibale, Ntuku misato na misato, Ntuku misato na minei, Ntuku misato na mitano, Ntuku misato na motoba, Ntuku misato na sambo, Ntuku misato na mwambe, Ntuku misato na libwa, Ntuku minei. So that's how to count numbers from 31 to 40. So thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe and share.